Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll take a look at a few more examples of business expenses which may be amortized. Let's begin with costs associated with reforestation. As discussed in Chapter 7, reforestation costs may be deducted as business expenses. However, a business may also elect to amortize qualifying expenses over an 84-month period. Qualifying costs include fees for site preparation, seeds, seedlings, labor, and tools. In order for a timber property to qualify for the amortization deduction, 3 requirements must be met. First, the property must be located in the United States. Second, the land must be held for the growing and cutting of timber. Finally, the property must consist of at least 1 acre. If a business wishes to revoke its election to amortize reforestation expenses, the IRS must first grant approval. Expenses for pollution control facilities which qualify for deduction may either be amortized or depreciated. If a business decides to amortize the cost of facilities, amortization must be done over a 60-month period. In order to qualify for amortization, the pollution control facility must not significantly increase the output or capacity or extend the usefulness of the plant or property. If the facility is an atmospheric pollution control facility, related expenses may be amortized over an 84-month period. To qualify for such amortization, all 3 of the following criteria must be met. First, the facility must have been acquired and placed in service after April 11, 2005. Second, the facility must have been used in connection with an electric generation plant that is primarily coal-fired. Third, if the building is constructed by the business, construction must have been completed after April 11, 2005. Research and experimental costs may be recovered in one of 3 ways. Costs may be amortized, deducted as a business expense, or written off using the optional write-off method. If amortization is chosen, the amortization period should be 60 months. Costs that were paid or incurred in a trade or business, as well as costs that are not being currently deducted, may qualify to be amortized. It should also be noted that once an amortization period has been chosen, it cannot be changed unless the IRS first grants approval.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.